You can dermaroll around, but not on the not on the clitoris, right? Hi Amber babies, how you doing? It's me Number, and welcome back to my beauty channel. Welcome back, Jin. Yes, I'm back. I'm fine. Let's get started with the dermarolling Q&A, guys. A month ago, I asked you to ask questions about dermarolling, which is amazing anti-aging tool and also good for acne, scarring, discoloration, and any other beautiful benefits. I'm gonna link down below more dermarolling videos so you know what is dermarolling. If you're first time here and you don't know what is that, jumping into this video right away. First question: how soon after dermarolling can I use a glycolic acid 20% resurfacing pad? Depends what size of dermaroller did you use, and depends what strength and what brand did you use. If you use drugstore, usually glycolic acid in drugstore is not strong. Usually more or less you have to wait like 3-5 days. The longer the needle, the longer you wait. Shorter the needle, you can do in 2 days. But if you have like really expensive, mostly like expensive glycolic acids, like for example from Montarbo skincare, they have very high quality strong acids, you will have to wait like a week because your skin is gonna peel off after these acids. Does daily collagen powder use increase the benefits of dermaroller? If you're using internally collagen, it's increasing benefits overall of the skin without or with using dermaroller. But if you combine everything, that's amazing. That's the best thing. Next question: how often can I roll my face? Depends on the size. This is, for example, the smallest size, which you can use every day, 0.0, or if you have sensitive skin, once a week, twice a week, depends on the size, guys. I have 6 sizes, and I'm gonna link down below the table on my website. There is saying which size, how often, for what treatment you should be using. What's the best thing to apply right after? I do have serums on my website. I do have 4 serums, cream, anything natural, without fragrance, without parabens, without perfumes, without phthalates, SLS, sodium lauryl sulfate, metals, anything natural. More natural ingredients you see, the better will be. Check out my website. I do have a bunch of serums that you can be using after dermarolling. Watch out for the toxic, non-natural, synthetic, silicone ingredients that you can have irritation. And I had clients that they were using some products that I did not approve, and then they sent me a picture like a red skin, rashes on the skin, and I'm like, I told you. Always can message my customer service at info@janumber.com. I have 2 girls, they're gonna answer your questions, anything you want. Information on beginners. I do have beginner video, and I'm gonna link down below how to use for beginners. Very easy. You're the best. Thank you. I know. In what order would you use all your products before or after dermarolling? Wow, I have a lot of products. Really, do I have to bring everything right now? Okay, I will start with the cleanser. Cleanse my face with the cleanser that I have, alpha hydroxy. Then I will go with the scrubber, ultrasonic skin scrubber. Then I will go disinfect the skin. I will dermaroll, either aqua stamp with the serum right away, or dermaroll. Then I put serums after. Then I will put the cream after. I will put the sheet mask after, and I will use at the end dolphin to just stimulate and push everything inside on the top of the sheet mask, and then take off the sheet mask, and voila, gommage mask. I can do next day. You don't have to do the same day. But nice question, thank you. Please there give us choices what to apply with 0.2 dermaroller for serum. Any serum you see on my website, you can apply just with retinol, like wait 1 hour. Dermaroller can reverse graying hair. I haven't done research on that. Dermaroller makes your hair grow thicker and longer. On the graying hair, is most likely you have a hormone imbalance that you have to check with your endocrinologist or your general practitioner, and go from there. Graying hair is something that is internally, not externally. What is the best numbing cream to use? Ebanel 520, I'm gonna link down below. Can 1 millimeter dermaroller be used twice in 1 month? No, 1 millimeter can never ever be used twice. If you're using smaller size, for example, you're using 1 millimeter Dermaroller, you can use January 1st. And if you have 0.5, you can use like January, let's say 17, 20 at this time. And then again on February 1st, you can use 1 millimeter Dermaroller. Can you Dermaroll your upper arms, bat wings? And if yes, yes, you can. You can basically Dermaroll everything you want, just not your butthole, not your tongue, nothing inside your mouth and your BGG. I know people been asking on the top of the nipple. I get many questions. I like, guys, when you ask me a question, it makes me really think. One time a girl, I'm not gonna say the name, sent me down their picture and she said, can I Dermaroll? I mean, you can Dermaroll around, but not on the not on the clitoris, right? Dermaroller sizes for surgery scars, so depends on the scar you have. If you have a keloid scar, you cannot use Dermaroller unless it's super tiny, very little raised. Then you can check with this like once a week and see if nothing happening, you don't get numbness, then you can increase the size. But always, guys, send me pictures or videos of the scar you have, of the issue you have. My customer service people going to answer to you more detail. Your products don't ship to Kuwait. Why? Because Kuwait doesn't like me. They never deliver my packages to my clients. Sorry, I don't know what's going on, but some countries, only few countries in the world that I don't ship, and there is few countries in the world that I only ship with DHL, which is very expensive. I don't ship with the regular mail because packages get lost and clients never get delivered the product. They are unhappy. I lose the product. I lose the shipping. I don't make money out of this. Products just disappear and clients are unhappy. I have to refund them and nobody has products, neither me, neither them. Like Turkey, I had to completely ban because none of my clients, I shipped like 20 boxes and none of them received, and I had to refund them and I lost the products. I don't know why is that, but some countries is not on me, it's on their policy, on their regulations, border control. There is a lot of stuff going on that I don't know. I can't answer, but I can. 0.5 good to use for beginners, and we need to use first vitamin C or hydraulic. Many people say hydraulic acid is the hyaluronic acid. Yeah, 0.5 you can start as a beginner if you have a deep wrinkles and a deep acne scars. You can start. If you don't, start with 0.25 or 0.2. And yes, you can apply vitamin C, but make sure it's natural or from my brand. If you're not sure, you can send me a picture of the ingredients, and I'm gonna tell you if this is okay. If not okay, you send email to info@gnumber.com. How long to see results using 1 millimeter Dermaroller, not professional microneedling? My Dermarollers are professional Dermarollers. I am esthetician, I'm licensed esthetician, and these are medical grade needles. Not Dermaroller, but the needles are medical grade, and this is considered professional. Many spa esthetician offices carry my Dermaroller in their work. And 1 millimeter Dermaroller, doesn't matter of the size, guys, depends individually. How frequently you do, what size, what issue you have is the same. Like some person going to see results next day, some person gonna see results only after a half year. It's like when you go to the gym, our metabolism, our everything, bodies are different. Some people gonna go to the gym and they're gonna start seeing results like after a month. Some people, they're not gonna see results until like a year after. It's just being honest, guys. Everything depends individually, just on you, on your body. For hair dermarolling, what numbing to use? None. For hair dermarolling, don't use numbing cream. The hair scalp is not so sensitive like a face. It's fine. You can handle, guys, 5 minutes of a little bit of pain. Can you? I think you can. If I can, you're not different. You can do that too. I see you were in the sauna. How long should I wait after dermarolling to use sauna? Okay, so yes, I do go to sauna, and I wouldn't recommend to dermaroll the same day as you go to sauna. So let's say if you dermaroll yesterday, today I will skip sauna and I will go next day. It's nothing wrong, nothing going to happen. There's not gonna be a damage, but you might gonna get irritation. You might gonna get like a little bit redness. So better skip 24 hours at least before going to sauna. At least. I would recommend 48. So when you're going to release your dermapen, okay, that's the thing with dermapen. I'm still testing, guys. I know I have told you that I'm going to release this year. I might going to release this year, but I'm still testing because dermapen is going to be an expensive tool, and I don't want to release in the market something that I am not 100%, not 110,000% sure that this product is the right product. So I'm still testing. It's gonna happen, I promise. Just be patient. I wish you joy. Thank you. I wish you joy too. What ingredients should we avoid applying after Dermaroller treatment? I have a video on that. I can link down below. So first thing, what you want to avoid: sun for 3 days at least. And if you go out every day, sunscreen, big hat, big sunglasses, and in the shade. Stay away from the sun. Is #1 killer of your skin and ages your skin and acne causing and stuff like this. Number 2, acids. Acids that are exfoliating acids: alpha hydroxy acid, beta hydroxy acid, mandelic acid. There is a lot of acids. I'm gonna put right here. I have a table, and I will just recommend you to guys watch that video. There is a lot of no, but these are the main. And also, like working out, sauna, it's not going to damage, but it's going to burn your skin if you go to work out next day. It's not going to be comfortable. You might gonna get started like itchy. You're gonna scratch a little bit. You have nails. From the nail can bacteria go in, and it's just like, you know, just prevent everything that might cause anything. Does this make sense? Is Dermaroller safe to use in pregnancy? Yes, yes, absolutely. Yes. I have asked 3 doctors, and they all say yes. Can Dermaroller, well, Dermaroller make pimples? I mean, I think she means that Dermaroller can cause pimples. It might cause pimples if you have underneath pimples and you don't feel it, but they exist and they're not red, but they still exist, and you dermaroll. It's like when detox happening, sometimes you get breakout because this underneath the bacteria trying to come out, trying to clear your skin, and there is nowhere to come out. It's coming out through the skin. Yes. Does it really help with the hair growth? Can it fix premature balding? Yes, absolutely. Studies been done. Yes, it can. How many times I can use the same roller? Do I need to change it because of the less effect? Yes, I recommend always to change the roller every 10 times, because imagine you roll 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 times each time, like 10 minutes. That's 100 times the needle get duller. Technically, any needle, no matter what you do, has to be thrown away every single time, but 10 times it's fine. I did Dermaroller facial and made a video using all your products. You're my inspiration. Oh, thank you. No exercising after Dermaroller, is only the longer needle, or should I avoid also after 0.25? 0.25 if you use tonight, tomorrow evening, you can exercise, it's fine. Dermarolling the chest, neck and hands. Any tips, advice? Check out my few videos back. I made a video on that. Not sure if you needed to hear, but you're beautiful from inside out, regardless of what life hands you. Oh, thank you guys. Thank you so much. I am better. I'm much better right now. Yeah, I'm done. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any more questions, leave down below in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer. Thank you so much. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for support you have given after my last video. I had a little bit of struggle with my emotions. I had anxiety for a couple of weeks, but now I'm okay. I still have sinusitis. I still have to do brain MRI, and which I'm going to do next week, but I'm feeling overall better, better health, better thoughts, happier, and I'm definitely not lying the way I feel right now. I'm smiling and I'm happy and everything is fine, and just a lot of work with myself. And I think sometimes to feel bad, it's okay. Just learn how to get out of that stage. I love you guys so much. Namaste. Please subscribe if you haven't. Click the red button, subscribe, and I see you in my next video. Bye.